Hello and welcome back. So of course, every great business has a business card which they can hand out to people, and then people will know the phone number or email address to be able to be in contact with that business. So in this video, we'll be designing a business card. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, at the top, go to create a design, and of course, once again, go all the way to the right and click on more. Okay, so let this new page load out, and then we're going to go to marketing materials and look for business card. This one just here. So click this and let it load out. Fantastic, so here we go. This on the right is the canvas where we will be designing the business card, and on the left is all the layouts that we will have to design the business card. Okay, so first things first, we just need to rename the design, and we are going to call it business card design. Okay, and of course you can call it whatever you want. I'm just calling it this just so I know what it is for later on when I'm looking for all of the designs. Okay, so I know this will be the business card design. Okay, fantastic, so hit done or press enter, and now we will begin the design process. So let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're just going to scroll through all of the different layouts and see which one spikes our creativity and which one looks good for our business or brand. Okay, so let's just scroll through them here to see which one is the best. Now, a business card design which I think that looks great, you might hate. Okay, so just beware, because every business is different and every business will require a different design. Say for example, an education company would want something different than what a bakery would want. Okay, so I like the design of this one just here, so I'm going to click on this. Now of course you have the front of the business card, okay, and then click new page, and here you have the back of the business card. Okay, so as you can see, we have the front and the back. Now, most of these also have a front and back for you. Some of them might not, but pretty much all of them will. So that is fantastic, of course. But I'm just going to delete this now because that's just an example for you. We need to look for one which will be perfect for us. So let's just have a quick look through here right now and see what we can find. Now, this one here looks quite cool. I like this. Now, it does say something is paid. It looks like these are paid, the little olives, so we'll delete these. And this little glass is paid as well, so we'll delete that. Of course, we need the back of the business card as well, so we've got a new page just here, and now we're going to click on the back. So let's grab this, delete these, and now it's all free. Fantastic. So first of all, we've got Wine and Dine Gastro Pub. So first of all, we're going to change this to Black Brick, and of course the Ultimate Online Courses. Fantastic. And just get rid of that last line like that. And now we need to make this text smaller. Okay, how much smaller we'll see. 8, there we go. Okay, so there is one more thing that we do, of course, want on the front of the design, and that is the Black Brick Training web address. Okay, so we're going to duplicate this just here, and now just type it in. Fantastic, and then make this text a little bit smaller, and of course it needs to be white and very clear to be able to be read. So let's go to color, white, and then it is readable. Fantastic. And of course everything needs to be centered now. Okay, so we're going to go for a central design. So let's center all of this. This box is too big, so let's make this box smaller. And then we can also center this like so. Fantastic. Actually, we're going to move this down to about here. Okay, so now we have got the web address, we have got the Ultimate Online Courses, which is the slogan, and we have the brand or business name, which is Black Brick. Fantastic. So now that is the front of the business card. Now we need to begin designing the back. So let's just scroll down here, and as you can see, it says Mac Daniel bartender, and then it has a phone number and a random address and all that. So we're going to remove all of this, put in some blank filler so we don't lose the text box real quick, copy and paste the web address, and paste that into here. Fantastic. There we go, very nice. And then of course we also need the email address, so that will be support@blackbricktraining.co.uk. So we may as well just copy this once again and paste that in there, support@blackbricktraining.co.uk. Fantastic. So we have the email address and the web address just there. So let's just move this over to here. Now, of course, you can put any information on here that you want to. You can put your business's phone number, web address, actual physical address, and anything you would like. Any information you want from your business, you can, of course, put on here. So social media profiles, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, anything like that. So we're just going to, of course, change this all to Black Brick. And then instead of typing bartender, we're just going to type support, as if you contact any of this on here, you will find our support team. Okay, so that is fantastic. Now, as you can see, it looks very nice. It's very simple and very easy to design, okay? But we can put some more information in. So what we're going to do is go to Twitter, okay? And then hit enter and grab the Twitter logo and make it quite small. And of course, Facebook, hit enter and grab the Facebook logo and make that quite small. We'll make it smaller in a second. It's just so we have them there. And finally, Instagram, hit enter and of course grab the Instagram logo. So we're going to make them all about this size like the Instagram one is now. Okay, so let's line them up and make them all the same size. 1, 2, and finally Facebook. Make it the same size as the other two. So of course we also need the same size gap in between both of them. There we go. Fantastic. That looks perfect. And now we will need to duplicate this text box down here. And we don't need anywhere near as much text that is on here. So let's just remove this and just type in @BlackBrickTraining. Fantastic. And then we need to remove that bottom line and make this box smaller and center it. There we go. Fantastic. There we go. That looks perfect. And then of course we want to duplicate the BlackBrick Training text just here and move this up for Twitter. And on Twitter we are @BlackBrickLearn. Fantastic. And finally duplicate that one more time, or as you already have duplicated it, you can just go to Control V and paste it and then take it to Facebook. And we are not @BlackBrickTraining, we are /BlackBrickTraining. It is facebook.com/BlackBrickTraining. So there we go. We also have our free social media profiles. So that is fantastic. Now we have Snapchat and many other social media accounts as well, but I feel like these are the main ones. We have the main information on here. We have the name of the company. We have what this business card will give you. It will give you the support team. We have the Facebook account, Twitter and Instagram, and then we have the support email address for BlackBrick Training and the actual web address as well. So we want to go to File and Save. Make sure we have saved all of our hard work, of course. It will automatically save, but you want to do it as well, just to make sure you don't lose anything. And then of course on the front we have the name of the company, the slogan and the web address. So that is absolutely fantastic. It's a wonderful design. I am very happy with it. And it has also taken us no longer than 10 minutes. So that is absolutely fantastic. I hope you all enjoyed this. And whichever layout you have chosen, I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you do love Canva. And hopefully this video has helped you out quite a lot when designing your business card. Okay, so that is that. This is our business card. We have the front and we have the back. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.